Hey guys, my name is Koushik and welcome back to LetCode. So today we have a very interesting questions like how we can test the color of any element. I thought it will be really easy and I thought there will be a direct function and I said like yes, but then when I get into the editor and I was trying, it was actually not that easy. So we do not have any direct function unfortunately. Like in Selenium we have like get CSS value or something like that, and we can pass like background color or the color, and we'll get the appropriate color or the CSS property. But somehow in Playwright it's going to be little different, so I'm going to show you that. So here we have this page letco.in slash buttons, and where is this? Yeah, this is the page, and this you can see, right? So when we inspect this here, you can select this has a background color of this, right? You can convert this into a RGB as well. So if you if you click on this color, and here you can see like we have RGB hex value. So based on your requirement you can do the assertion. Okay, so let's go with the RGB, that is the most widely used. Okay, so 250, 124 and some values there, right? This is alpha in the sense like transparency. 0 means it will be more transparency, and 1 means no transparency. Okay, so now let's see how to get that. So first of all, I'm going to find this button and it has a ID called home, so I'm going to take that. Now then, to get the color we are going to use the function called evaluate. So this is the function, and this function is going to return me an element here, so I'm going to store that, and then within this we are going to write something. Okay, um, of course the return is going to be color, so I'm going to store that here, and of course we have to use the await. Okay, now within this what we are going to do, we are going to return like whatever the color we are going to fetch, we are going to return. And how to get the color is basically with the help of get computated style is the function. Okay, so for example here I have to select window, get computated style, and within the style we'll say like what we want. Okay, sorry, here we have to select dot get property and then property value, and here we have to say. Okay, and window dot get computated style means it will go to the window, that is the whole object, but we know that we have to take it from the element, so I will pass the element here. Okay, and here we can pass either like the background color, the border color, or the color. This is basically the text color. Okay, so based on your CSS requirement you can copy the value or you can just paste it over here. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to log this. Let's see. So this is going to return in the format of string. So of course if you want you can write the expect condition here, like expect color dot to be, and here you can pass the value. Okay, so for example here we are going to get this, so let me copy and paste over here. So that's it. Let's execute and check. Yeah, so here you can see like we got the GBA as like 250, 124 and 145. Unfortunately we didn't get the alpha. Okay, so it's giving only the RGB, not the RGBA. Okay, so that's why our expect got failed, but you got the idea, right? So here we have to of course add the comma everywhere. And what else this? Yeah, only the comma thing is missing, so both are giving the RGB and we also expected the RGB, but comma I missed, so you have to give that also. Okay, so that's it. It's very simple and easy. Only thing is we don't have direct function unfortunately, so we have to use the evaluate function, and within that we have to use the window dot get computated style, and here we have to pass the element, the actual element. This element is nothing but the button itself, and then we can say the get property value, and within that you can give whatever the property, the color, background color, border color, or height, width also you can give, like anything related to the CSS. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this is clear to you now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon. Tata, bye bye, take care.